to be found. Hey! A Queen Kamala. Kick out the rhythm track. Turn it up there. Rhythm track, those sherms at my thing, my DJ. A Queen Kamala. Hey! I want one. You mean 70 are you tough to die? Turn up rhythm track. You mean 17 areas except for paycheck? You them a smoke all them vomit fluid. A Queen Kamala. Somebody think, wait. One. Tell me how one. Me da love you know how one. Wagwan. Tell me how one. Me da love you know wagwan. You know see we youth them a die. Politicians them not stop tell lie. I fool we up, I be a some fire. And everywhere me go me say a gunshot. Another hungry. A Queen Kamala. I say better days you know. Anyone no wanna get a turn back way. A Queen Kamala. Some boy can head out. See me fat fish and then come out. A Queen Kamala. I say upliftment, I say prosperity, I say better days. I say unity in every community. Big up Elise Kelly, a Queen Kamala. One. Tell me how one. Me da love you know wagwan. Tell me how one. Me da love you know wagwan. You know see we youth them a die. Politicians them not stop tell lie. I fool we up, I be a some fire. And everywhere me go me say a gunshot. Another mother burn a belly and cry. One hand on head me say one to the sky. Me get a plan another get a you die. Can't understand why. What's our unity? And that's a one. What's our born bad mind? What's our upliftment? What's our prosperity? What's our togetherness? Them politicians have to what? We want more opportunity in the garrison for the youths. Something is wrong. We got to change the situation. We used to need some motivation and more opportunity to get some education. Every day we face the pressure and the thing I look no better. Me can't find no bread, no butter because the system make it tougher. Why? Why? The Jamaican people now put together. In a sister beer. Hey! I said togetherness, I said peace, I said love. A Queen Kamala. Something is wrong. We got to do it. Handbrake. Come on, like go you know. I be a foolish one, you know. You them just go the wrong way. The man them run on email and I kill off the female. Them boy they think go. Second track. We let them find a posing thing, you know. They said that stop me out. The boy now come give me the HIV night. Some boy think way. Then them go back way. I'm posing to you a deal with. I say a serious thing me a deal with. I'm joking thing you a deal with. I say a straight up thing me a deal with. A serious thing me a deal with. Me say a posing thing you a deal with. A joking thing you a deal with. Me say a straight up thing me a deal with. The time serious now if you run up and down. Me need a good man, we need to settle down. No boy to stress my out talking, keep me weak. But I run my house like a new thing. Stone. I'm straight up with you, you're straight up with me. That's no fire, life should be. No one a man you go behind a she and she. But pop up in a HIV. I'm posing to me what deal with. I'm serious thing me a deal with. I'm joking thing you a deal with. I'm straight up thing me a deal with. I'm serious thing me a deal with. I'm posing thing you a deal with. I'm joking thing you a deal with. I'm straight up thing me a deal with. You know sister you a take me for fool. And if me talk you want to treat me like a footstool. I remember when it's you and me, and you and me, and you and Shelly. Every time I make a flex, you don't need to say I'm on the check. Certain things get me vexed. The youth and hungry, you are talk about the death. What a stress, what a thing you are dealing. Handbrake. Hey! If I love what go and make me say hey! If a boy have turned back for your boy for what? Way! A Queen Kamala. You have some rasta around here, you know. I mean some imposter around here, you know. They might lick up and fish with scale, my people, and they might eat fish with ear. Them boy that think, way! A Queen Kamala. Drop the third track there. Me say me tired. Too much blood I run. Johnny and Khan. Me tired of the crime and the violence. You want this to be a if you're tired of the crime and the violence. Community why keep us silent. Fed up of the crime and the violence. The people who will make a difference. Leaders who make a pledge of commitment. Why crime so frequent? Why so much killing? Why so much shooting? Hey you boy, you want shot it so. With the black in your hand, a bust it so. You never let it go. All you put it in your life is pain and sorrow. You live in daily, not care about tomorrow. But I end up for the house and they not be go. So the innocent blood, and that's how it go. I'm gonna run from back on you. We tired of the crime and the violence. You want listen to your parents. If you're tired of the crime and the violence, community why keep us silent? Fed up of the crime and the violence. The people who will make a difference. Leaders who make a pledge of commitment. Why crime so frequent? Why so much killing? Why so much shooting? I know, boxing but every day them use your nappies. I tell them brother be a target practice range. One to the youth and don't a nigga don't a range. Seems like some lose them range. Question I can't get no answer. Don't a beer, then never non-flanker. Don't a tone, I say that them a man for Spanish don't miss the thugs and gangster. We tired of the crime and the violence. Handbrake. A Queen Kamala. The man them know so them thing up and them thing straight. Let me and say, hey! If a boy come on and them a move back way, them for what? Them for just way! Drop the next shot there. I mean I saw clean out over everything, you know. I mean I said better days, you know. Handbrake. Do the next shot. Hey! You saw me look sexy. Nothing a shaky about my thing. The thing, pull you up. I've been out in and pull you up. You know when a boy come me, I come chop a sleep, you know. Extension, it's a kid, you a feel different than the boy. It's a kid, you a short circuit, the type of melody. Shot it, you a take off like a rocket. Extension, open up the shot it, you a feel. Hey, Handbrake! Cause me no want a little short up something, you know. Me like long extension, you know. Me like ball out. Me want me hey! So you hear me? Handbrake! Those shrums everything. I'm gonna talk to me long foot man then. Cause me no want a size 7, a size 8, a size 9. I'm gonna say 10 and up, you know. Extension and a little something, you know. So drop out the extension. Hey! Me no want a boy come play with me, so me think up, you know. Extension Martin, I'm a socket, you know. I'm a say extension, me not talk about the size 6, 7, 8, you know. Extension, you don't feel different than the foot. You shock it, you want to work it, you try to shock it up, you want to take off like a rocket. Extension, don't mean I'm a socket. You want to feel different than the foot. You shock it, you want to work it, you try to shock it up, you want to take off like a rocket. Chuck it with electricity. It's a pity, cause I love to be in a city. Young love you are, you know what a pity. Me body pity no, you know see full of energy. So come jump start me with electric therapy. The heat like me, you tell me you know what you mean. You know, go no, be negative, catch up, be positive. Hey, extension, Handbrake. You know the thing going on, Queen Kamala, straight from out of Trenchtown. And I book my book feet, and you know I forgive my fans them. The full 100. So you hear me? One more me I'll go now and leave it, you know. Find a protect, give me the track 5. I was still off a run a bad out to it. No. I mean it. Listen. You see from the boy I come on me yard. I said the thing fully up. Now I tell you something, I can't sleep with a night time. And that me I talk about. When I talk about the eating thing, hard work. Come here, come on me yard. I see you come on me yard. It make me so much happy. So much joy and happiness. When you come on me yard, I see you come on me yard, boy. So much joy and happiness. It really is my come on me yard and come on up. Me bring him back like come on back. Me see something for that time. Me nah listen me a one tackle. Listen, me a walk in that me get upset. When you look how it make, you see that style you can't forget. Hey! When you come on me yard, I see you come on me yard. We come on, I love you. We come on, I love you. I say respect goes out to you. We come on, I love you. Hey! Any boy no wanna get a turn back? Wait! Them think, wait! Them might eat fish for the year.